Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be decorating my social media planner, which is called New Day. It's a planner from 2021 and I'm going to be redating it, and as always punching in a page that I have created for my left side. So here we go. I'm going to use my Happy Planner punch and I'm going to go ahead and attach this page to my planner. So this is going to be the second week of December, so it is for the week of the 7th, actually from the 5th to the 11th. So we're going to be redating that one and recreating a spread. So from 5th to 11, I'm going to go ahead and cut this off and all the edges. If you are coming to my channel for the first time, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before and you are coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much. I'm very, very grateful for you. And let's get started. So today I'm going to be using the winter collection from Amber Plans Her Day. I thought some of her stickers were so beautiful. I wanted to use them and create this really fun whimsical spread. So here we go, I guess. She has all of these like really cozy images of like fireplaces and snow globes and really, really cozy stickers. So I wanted to use those in today's spread and see how we can use them. So bear with me. The first thing is the pickup truck with the Christmas tree, because come on, it's a Christmas tree. So I'm gonna put that down and then I'm gonna start working around it so it matches this piece and it looks beautiful. So let's get going and add more stickers. I'm gonna add a fireplace on this side, make it cozy, and put the Christmas tree next to the fireplace, almost like a little scene, because most people put their Christmas tree next to the fireplace. Okay, what's next? What can I put next? This sticker book has so many fun little things that I don't even know what to do. Next thing, we're gonna do this sled with a little Christmas tree, like a tiny one. What should we do next? Okay, let's do that lamp kind of where the note would be. Let's add this snow globe. I think it's super, super cute. It's very different and I like it a lot. Of course, some hot chocolate, because how do you do this without any hot chocolate? It's actually making me want to make a cup of hot chocolate, you guys. Ooh, look at this happy mail. I love it. Then I'm gonna add the skates. I know it's kind of random stuff, but I think it might go together. Let's see. I'll put like 2 pair of skates so 2 people can skate, like a couple or something. I don't know. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, let's add another little hot cocoa somewhere in the corner, like that. They're so adorable. Okay, a little bit of this greenery, which again, so beautiful. You guys, I forgot I have this book, like literally forgot, and I was rearranging my office and I found it and I was like, wow. Okay, I think the snow globes are kind of too close. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to rearrange that because I don't agree with it. So I'm gonna take one of them off. One of them has to come off, and then I will put a quote up here. fireplaces and happy memories. Then I'll go ahead and add, what can I add? Have a cup of cheer, let's do that. Okay, and a couple little ones, maybe here and there. The first one that I'm going to put is going to be Merry Everything and Happy Always, but I want the snow globe off. So let's put that right here and then put the quote around it. And then for up there, I can put this greenery, and I think that's gonna look great. Yep, I think I was right about this. So let's add another little green piece. And then, as you can see, I added that winter in the air, and now next one will be Merry Everything and Happy Always. I am looking for boxes first though. And of course I have to redate. So this is a folder of stickers that I make, and then I also have these old stickers with dates on them. So I just want to make sure that I can use them. I really do enjoy working with this. So it's a sticker like package that I purchased probably like 5 or 6 years ago at Michael's, in case you were wondering. I don't believe it's available anymore, but hey. Okay, next up, let's put these up. So 5th through 11th. These are kind of cumbersome to put. Redating in general is pretty cumbersome if you're not doing it by hand. And putting little stickers because you want them kind of perfect, and it's not an easy task. Okay, 9. 10 and 11, and then we can go ahead and add boxes, I think. Let's take a look. So then I'll go ahead and add all of these boxes to it. I just want to see how it looks. So here we go. It is my social media, so I usually put all the videos I'm filming in here and kind of keep myself on track. So this is where I put them down. This is the actual videos that are coming out. My plans are usually on my monthly. I put out what is coming on YouTube. So okay, so one more box up here, and then I think I just need to redate the 2021 and add that one more sticker like I said. Maybe I can fit it in here. Yep, I think that works. I'm gonna peel off the top and then put some tape runner underneath, and I think that will work pretty well. And this way I still have a room to write small tasks if I need to next to that quote. Okay, and that's all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Bye!